Hi everyone, Mike from the Excel Trainer here. A question that I get asked often whenever I deliver my data visualization in Excel training is, can you apply conditional formatting to the bars in a chart? The conditional formatting that we're talking about automatically changes the colour of a bar based on the value of a cell. Take this example. The chart is configured so that the bar that represents the highest number in column B automatically displays in a different colour. So if I change somewhat happy to 301, it automatically changes the somewhat happy bar to a different colour. Now, as always, if you want to follow along with me, you can download a copy of this demo file from the link in the description below. Okay, so how did I do it? Well, the first part of the trick is to create a formula in C4 and copy it down to C5, C6 and C7. The formula, which I've already entered and copied, says if the value in column B for this row equals the highest value in B4 to B7, this cell should display the value from B4. Otherwise, it should display 0. I've made B4 to B7 fixed with the $signs, so as the formula is copied down, it keeps the reference to those cells. Then I created a simple bar chart based on A4 to C7. So for each item on the vertical axis, there are 2 bars. It's just that for 3 of the items, the value of some of those bars is 0. Hence it looks like there's only 1 bar. The next part of the trick is to select the single visible bar that represents the values in column C. So I'll click on this orange bar here and then right click and select Format Data Series. That opens up the Data Series panel that you can see on the right hand side. We're going to change the series overlap. This represents how much the bars overlap. So, for example, if I set it to 50%, there's a 50% overlap between the bars. You can't see the overlap for the first 3 series because there's only 1 bar, but for very happy, you can see that the 2 bars are overlapping and they're overlapping by 50%. I'm going to change the overlap to 100%. And setting it to 100% means the 2 bars are actually on top of each other. So the orange bar is actually completely on top of the blue bar. The blue bar is therefore hidden behind it. And that's actually the case with all 4 bars. But because the orange bar has a value of 0 for 3 of the bars, you don't see it, hence the blue bar. Now I'm going to hide column C. If you hide rows or columns and the cells in those rows or columns are used in a chart, the data points or data series represented by those cells are hidden, hence the orange bar now disappearing. To solve that problem, I need to click on the edge of the chart and click on Chart Design, select Data, click Hidden and Empty Cells and tick the box that says Show Data in Hidden Rows and Columns, and click on OK and OK again. And I'll close this panel on the right down. So now if I change not happy to 301, it has automatically made not happy into a different colour. So if you found this video useful, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe for more. If you have any suggestions for future videos, please let me know in the comments. I also have a free weekly newsletter packed with tips and tricks to help you become more productive in Excel, and you can sign up for that at theexceltrainer.co.uk. But until the next time, have an excellent day.